Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, to do a little shout out and a little product spotlight for Rockwell razors. So these guys have been in the market for a couple years now. I've actually had the opportunity and the pleasure to meet Gareth, one of the owners of Rockwell, and they make some really nice quality shaving products. Almost all their products for the razors are stainless steel. They do have a couple that are zinc. I think the 2C and the Rookie, which I don't have up here. I forgot to grab it, but we do carry it. But these razors are really known for their interchangeable base plates. So, you know, like the 6S or the 6C, you can switch the base plates around, and there's going to be 6 different settings in these. And so you can get, you know, kind of tailor it to get the shave that you want, and that's what they kind of call their adjustable system. They also have a great line of stands like this. You're seeing like little inkwell stands, the different finishes to match your razor. And those are great to set your razor into on the counter. And they even now have some other grooming products like beard oil, beard brush, and one of the coolest little products in the market, these matchsticks that are actually like little styptic or alum kind of styptic pencil or alum block that is just a one-time use, maybe 1 or 2 time use. I think it's a great idea because if you have little nicks, you can just pull one off and just put it right there and close up that nick. So one of the coolest little products around. So we're really happy to have been carrying Rockwell now for a couple years, and one of the exclusive things we do with the razors is we do finishing options. So the finishes as is from Rockwell are really nice. You know, a lot of people like these, but they are more of on the matte side. I think they do have a couple polished versions, but one of the things we really specialize in is people send them in, or you can buy them directly from us, and we'll polish the steel up and then plate it in 24 karat gold or the most popular rhodium to give a really nice presentation to the razors. So happy to carry them. I think they're a great line of Canadian razors that are, you know, kind of flooding the market in some sense. I think it's awesome that they're growing and that they are producing some high quality stuff for the market. So that's all I got for Rockwell. If you've used Rockwell, if you love them, if you hate them, tell me why in the comments below. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered to win this, the official Razor Emporium Black and Blue t-shirt. Thanks guys for watching. Please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, click that bell to notify you every time we come out with a video, and I'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks guys.